Mastering the use of kindly in English. Hello language learners, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the world of polite expressions in English. Our focus will be on understanding the word kindly, how it's used, and its purpose in making requests. This often overlooked word can make a world of difference in making your English sound more polite and respectful. So, let's get started. To begin with, kindly is an adverb in English. When we use kindly in a sentence, it adds an element of politeness to our request. It's akin to saying, please, but with a slightly more formal tone. It's used especially in professional or more formal settings. Kindly tends to give an impression of respect and courtesy towards the person you are addressing. So, why do we use kindly? Well, when we make a request or give an instruction, using kindly softens the tone. It makes your request seem less direct and more polite, which can be particularly useful in written communication such as emails. Here's a quick example. Instead of saying, "Send me the report," you could say, "Could you kindly send me the report?" Notice the difference? The latter sounds much more respectful and considerate. Now, let's look at a few more examples to understand how kindly works in different contexts. 1. Kindly refrain from making noise in the library. Here, kindly is used to make a polite instruction. 2. Could you kindly pass the salt? In this case, kindly is used to make a polite request. 3. We kindly ask guests to check out by 11 a.m. In this formal notice, kindly is used to set rules in a courteous manner. Remember, while kindly is a powerful tool for adding politeness to your English, it should be used where appropriate. It may seem overly formal in casual conversations with friends. And there we have it. You've now mastered the use of the word kindly. We've explored its definition, its purpose, and seen it in action. Remember, using kindly in your requests or instructions can make you sound more respectful and polite. So, don't shy away from using it in your formal and professional conversations. That wraps up our discussion for today. Thank you kindly for watching, and we hope this video will help you polish your English even further. Until next time, keep practicing.